Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into 10 mind-blowing facts that will challenge your perceptions and leave you amazed by the incredible potential of digital currencies. From the explosive growth of the crypto market to the revolutionary impact of blockchain technology, these facts will open your eyes to the exciting world of finance and technology. So buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the cutting edge of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Number 1, there are now more than 10,000 cryptocurrency ATMs in the world, allowing users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies for cash. Cryptocurrency ATMs, also known as Bitcoin ATMs, are a convenient way for people to buy and sell cryptocurrencies without having to go through an exchange. These machines allow users to purchase or sell Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies using cash or a debit card. Cryptocurrency ATMs are usually located in public places like convenience stores, malls, or gas stations. In recent years, the number of cryptocurrency ATMs has grown significantly, with more than 10,000 machines now available in countries around the world. These machines are especially popular in countries with unstable local currencies, where cryptocurrencies can provide a more stable alternative for everyday transactions. Number 2. In some countries like Venezuela and Zimbabwe, where the local currency is unstable, cryptocurrencies have become a popular alternative for everyday transactions. In countries with unstable economies, cryptocurrencies have become an increasingly popular alternative to traditional currencies. In countries like Venezuela and Zimbabwe, where inflation has skyrocketed, local currencies have lost much of their value. As a result, many people have turned to cryptocurrencies as a way to store and transfer value. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by any government or central authority. This makes them more stable and less susceptible to inflation than traditional currencies. In addition, cryptocurrencies can be used to make cross-border transactions quickly and cheaply, making them an attractive option for people living in countries with limited access to traditional banking services. Number 3, the world's first blockchain phone, the HTC Exodus 1, was released in 2018. The phone features a built-in cryptocurrency wallet and other blockchain-related features. The HTC Exodus 1 was the world's first blockchain phone, released in 2018. The phone was designed to allow users to securely store and manage their cryptocurrencies using a built-in hardware wallet. The phone also features other blockchain-related features, such as a secure enclave for storing private keys and a decentralized app, DApp store. The phone was designed to provide users with a more secure and convenient way to manage their cryptocurrency holdings, without having to rely on third-party exchanges or wallets. Number 4, cryptocurrencies are sometimes used for philanthropy. For example, the Pineapple Fund donated over $55 million in Bitcoin to various charities around the world. Cryptocurrencies are sometimes used for philanthropy, allowing donors to make anonymous and secure donations to causes they care about. One notable example is the Pineapple Fund, a charitable organization that was founded by an anonymous Bitcoin millionaire in 2017. The Pineapple Fund donated over $55 million worth of Bitcoin to various charities around the world, including the Electronic Frontier Foundation, the Water Project, and the CNS Research Foundation. The fund was designed to show the potential of cryptocurrencies to do good in the world and to inspire others to use their wealth for philanthropic purposes. Number 5, some cryptocurrencies use a consensus mechanism called proof of work, where users must solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and earn rewards. This process uses a lot of computational power and has led to concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrencies. Proof of work is a consensus mechanism used by some cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. In this system, users must solve complex mathematical problems in order to validate transactions and earn rewards. The process requires a significant amount of computational power, which has led to concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrencies. According to some estimates, Bitcoin mining alone consumes more energy than the entire country of Argentina. Some cryptocurrencies are exploring alternative consensus mechanisms, such as proof of stake, which require less computational power and are more environmentally friendly. Number 6, cryptocurrencies have been used in art and music. For example, musician Imogen Heap released an album in 2021 that was sold as a non-fungible token, NFT, on the Ethereum blockchain. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology have also been used in the art and music industries. In 2021, musician Imogen Heap released an album that was sold as an NFT on the Ethereum blockchain. The album, titled Imogen Heap, The Music of Harry Potter and the Cursed Child, was sold for $250,000 worth of Ether, making it one of the most expensive NFTs ever sold. NFTs are digital assets that are stored on a blockchain and can represent anything from artwork to music to videos. They allow creators to sell their work as unique, one-of-a-kind items, with the blockchain providing proof of ownership and authenticity. NFTs have been used to sell everything from digital artwork to tweets and have become a popular way for creators to monetize their work in the digital age. Number 7, blockchain technology can be used to create decentralized applications, dApps, that run on a network of computers, making them more secure and less susceptible to hacking than traditional centralized applications. Decentralized applications, dApps, are applications that run on a blockchain network instead of a centralized server. This makes them more secure and less susceptible to hacking, as the data is stored across a network of computers instead of on a single server. dApps can be used for a variety of purposes, such as finance, social media, and gaming, and are becoming an increasingly popular use case for blockchain technology. Number 8. The first Bitcoin transaction was used to purchase 2 pizzas in 2010. Today, those 2 pizzas would be worth millions of dollars. The first Bitcoin transaction took place in 2010, when a programmer named Laszlo Hanich purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. At the time, Bitcoin was worth very little, and the transaction was seen as a novelty. However, as the value of Bitcoin skyrocketed in the following years, the transaction became a symbol of how early adopters of cryptocurrencies could have made huge profits if they had held on to their coins. Number 9. Cryptocurrencies can be used to send money internationally quickly and cheaply, without the need for expensive intermediaries like banks. One of the key advantages of cryptocurrencies is their ability to facilitate cross-border transactions quickly and cheaply. Traditional methods of sending money internationally, such as wire transfers and Western Union, can be slow and expensive, with fees often ranging from 5% to 10% of the total transaction amount. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can be sent almost instantly and with very low fees, making them an attractive option for people who need to send money across borders. Number 10. Some companies have started paying their employees in cryptocurrencies, offering them a potentially more stable alternative to traditional currencies. Some companies have begun to offer their employees the option of being paid in cryptocurrencies, with the aim of providing a more stable alternative to traditional currencies. This is especially true in countries with unstable currencies, where cryptocurrencies can provide a more reliable store of value. However, paying employees in cryptocurrencies can also introduce additional complexity, such as how to handle taxes and how to convert the cryptocurrency into fiat currency if necessary. That's a wrap for our journey through 10 mind-blowing facts about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. We hope you've enjoyed discovering some of the incredible potential and possibilities that these digital currencies and blockchain technology can offer. So keep exploring and learning about these fascinating technologies. Who knows what amazing developments and breakthroughs the future will bring? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.